Can't do them all. Let's work out you've got that enormous body in there. I'll even have a look first. Fair play. Yep, and it's a bend. Interesting. And going that way, okay. I kind of get it now. These holes are a bit bigger and there's no seal that you've broken. Those lovely strong legs helping you. So if the sun goes down, it's a bit easier. Just see if I can do a side shot. Slowly but surely gets his whole body in there. Just show you, there it is. It's just a fence post. And this is another hole. Almost vanished, just the antenna. Quite something. Just stay still, I can't see the antenna now. So it's fully in there. Quite amazing, really. I'm going to be patient and try not to stop recording. So it's one continuous film. She says she's going to anyway. So look at the fence post. It's just a 4x4. There we go, finished, look. Not that long. Thinking about coming back out. How does it come back out? Oh, turning round inside, going back in. Wonder how many eggs it carries. She carries. Okay, look. Now I've got to wiggle myself around inside. Oh, okay. See if I can just move back without losing. Come back in. There's obviously a lot going on. See if I can come back round and not lose it. If I put my finger there, I don't want to lose this. Because there's so many holes that I've put in. And all sorts going on in the others. There's my finger, there's the hole. Okay, cool. There we go, you can see the antenna. Okay, looks like she's finished. Oh, yeah, now she's annoyed with me. Okay, that's fine. Flown off. Resting on the acer, I think. Interesting. Must have been hard work. Can't find her now.